fucking die. You're dead.
No, I'm not dead. I'm Rick James, bitch.
No, you're dead. Rick James is dead.
No.
Hey.
Holy shit. Don't move. You're dead.
I'm Rick James, bitch.
Rick James is a dead motherfucker.
I bet you nobody will remember who that is.
Who?
Just that.
Mm.
In the video. It's like a dark ninja or some shit.
What are you doing?
Dude, should I kick him in the face?
Dome him. Brett.
No, not in the face.
Oh! Oh!
Shit, what the fuck?
Giving him eating shit.
There.
Oh, oh! Oh, oh, oh! Oh!
Oh shit, okay, I'm done.
Do it again. Do it again and let me kick him.
No.
Why?
Fucked up.
Dude, you should have seen the double punch I did.
I'm done. I have a headache, let's go bolt.
The Nate. He's on. He's got his ass kicked, right?
Huh?
He got that. He got double punch. Just into the wall. He got judo kicked. From
Dude,
the side
that's
of his
all
head
Marcus
7
did was
times.
kick. That's all Marcus did was kick that nigga.
I didn't touch him with my fist. I was like, we should smoke a bowl.
No.
America.
Yeah.
Done.
Fuck yeah.
Pot is good.
Let's go somewhere, bro.
Not the
Yeah.
pot.
Let's go somewhere. Brett domed him and shit. Brett's like, yeah.